Excited for science! Fourth grade students at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts are putting their science skills to the test during a hands-on science day. The classrooms have been transformed into science labs as students rotate through several engaging activities, all designed to reinforce key concepts that will be on the upcoming SC Ready Science Test.
We purposely examined data in PLCs to see which areas needed improvement across fourth grade were needed, and we have set up 6 stations that actually delve into that data to allow students to have an opportunity to practice those skills again.
Each station is challenging students to think critically, make observations, and apply what they've learned in class, all while having fun. From plant structures to light waves, weathering and erosion, these young scientists are actively engaged with science.
10, 11, 12.
I like the blades. It was fun because we did like friction and colliding, and then we counted how much it can spin and how much time it collided on the walls and together.
We learned like about the parts of the flower. We made like little flowers.
We were learning about how eyes work. We had to use a flashlight to make a little hole in the paper, and then we're supposed to like see.
I see the light. I still see you.
This event is not only helping the students gain confidence for the exam, but it's also sparking excitement for science.
I think students remember hands-on activities, and I think they're more likely to recall the information and the experiences, and I think it's a great opportunity for students to strengthen their community, not just within our classroom, but within the school. So that's been a great opportunity to get to know other students as well. What can move rocks in nature?
Students rotated through 6 interactive science stations, spending about 40 minutes at each stop.
3, 2, 1, go!
At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.